And Jesus said unto them, Because of your unbelief, for verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, Remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. May God bless you. Amen. Tin ani chuan an hnena in rin tlem awangin ti tak me vin ka hril a cheu an tram mu fang khatang rin in nei chuan he tlang hnena hian heta tangin chota son vai in son ro in ti anga a in son meyang in tan ti thelo reng engma a om lowang a tia kan tan ti thelo reng engma a om lowang lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.